Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, after the command about will had been revealed, Hazrat Sauda, who was a bulky woman, went out under some necessity, relieving oneself, and it was not difficult for anyone who formerly knew her to recognize her. Seeing her, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O Sauda, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we have recognized you, though you are veiled. Now think how you have come out. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, hearing it, she returned while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in my house, taking meal, holding a bone in his hand. She entered and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I went out under a necessity, but Umar radiyallahu anhu said to me so and so. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed to him, and when the revelation terminated, the bone was still in his hand, as he had not put it down. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly you have been permitted to go out under some necessity. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4795.